further ado, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So if you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are coming back or you're old, yeah, I'm gonna call you old, welcome. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification just to see when I upload, and yeah, click that like button for me please, and then you probably can go share it with your friends. Yeah, thank you so very much. So today's video is going to be a very colorful autumn set, very extra, because that's the only thing that we do in the Caribbean. We are extra, right? All my Caribbean folks can agree with me, we're very extra. So I'll be doing a very colorful set, extra colorful coffee nail set. Yeah, so I'll be using the colors that I'll be using on this nail is Jamaica Carnival. Is from the brand Perfect 10. It's a local business here in Jamaica that supplies us with nail acrylic and nail stuff. So I'll be using this at the of the nail. I'll be creating a ombre with 3 colors, and then I'll be using a color that I made. It's a very vibrant green on the middle of the nail, and then I'll be using Sunshine from Gifted Lucy. So you can go and check out her page on Instagram. I'll link it in the video so you guys can check it out. So you guys can review products from other countries. I am planning on doing that one day, probably soon, who knows. If you're interested in those type of stuff, just hit that subscribe button and like the video, and let's carry on. So now I'm about to move on to my my middle finger, and I'll be doing Sunshine from Gifted Doja. As I said before, I will link her information in the video so you guys can check her page out. She makes good colors, I think. She makes great colors, I think. So I'll be using this all over the nail, and then there's some stuff that I created. Well, I didn't create it. I saw it and I decided that okay, I'm going to try it out to see if it actually works, and it did. And I need a pat on my shoulder because I never do these type of things. So I need a pat. I made some nail decals. Yeah, I did make some nail decals. I didn't use it on all the nails. If you look very closely, you can see that I used it on the pinky, which I must apologize for that. I started doing the whole process and forgot to click the record button, but life happens and I must apologize for that. So I'll be using Sunshine all over this nail, and then I'll be using some autumn leaves on it. It is so pretty. And then I use a very chunky, but it has chunky glitter around it. Guys, it's so it's so gorgeous. I was looking back at it and I was like, oh, I wish I did it for all of the fingers because it's so pretty. I mean, gosh.
When you let me
As you can see, I didn't include where I did the glitter, which is a bummer. I don't know why I keep on forgetting to hit the record button so you guys are able to see what is taking place. And then I proceeded with strawberry from Gifted Good. I have a video where I was reviewing these colors. Go and check it out. I'll probably put it in the card above if I do remember. So yes, this color is called Strawberry from Gifted Good. Very the only red acrylic I ever owned. Such a gorgeous color. Probably I'm just biased because, you know, I've never tried any other red color, but yeah, I like this color. I like the application. I like everything about it. So for this nail, is very basic. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, okay, alright guys, I need for me personally, why I think for every nail it needs a design. Am I a clown? No, I'm not. But I feel like for doing YouTube, I feel like you need to open person's eyes. You need to give them ideas. Like, yeah, don't stick to one side. You know, you can open up. You can do nails. You can do beautiful nails. So for this nail, it was very simple. I used the strawberry, and then I used some red glitter. That was it. Nothing more. And nail came out bomb. It's an idea for a Christmas set. I'm thinking about doing a whole entire hand like this. So don't forget to like if you want to see me do that. Okay? So for the thumb, it was very basic. I just used white acrylic, and then I said I was going to try to design it. Guys, you know I suck at designing, and I was so thankful that I didn't catch it on camera because it would have been a laughing stock. Literally, it would have been a laughing stock. So now I have completed the sculptured application, and I'm ready to file, buff, do all the works, and then I top coat. So the top coat that I usually use is Out the Door. It's one of the best top coats that I come across. One of the best top coats. So I usually do two coats of top coat just to get that sheen. But if you want one, girl, I'ma hook you up. I'm gonna hook you up. Out the Door, if you know you're not on the level. I'm not gonna say you're not on the level, but if you're like me who is not yet, you know, exposed to gel just yet, and that's in the making. I'm about to do some couple videos on that, so stay tuned. So yeah, also Out the Door is one of the best top coats ever to be created. Trust me. Go and buy it and then do the application for yourself, and then come back and tell me how it went. Okay guys, so it's coming to the very end of this video. I hope you guys did like the video, enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, tell them to come over and watch me work. So yes, so guys, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.